please wear your mask at all time in the paddock. As also, concessions will not service you if you are not wearing a mask.
Yep, that didn't take very long, did it?
I called it.
Here we go, Forsberg out front, Adam Milton in the position. Like I said, welcome to the pro competition, Adam Milton. Here you go, Chris. That front flip. Outside zone transition. In that final outside zone number 4, Ryan. Great way for Adam LZ. Hey man, here you go. Go against the 3-time champ.
Moving on to the other side and see what we can see over there. Have food and stuff. Check it out.
From the Toyota, it's always great to see that, but super stoked to see Joao back out here in FD position. Clean start from both the drivers. Joao, nasty flight into that first outside zone. Frederick Osbo into that front flip, takes it out.
Behind you, Rob. He's not even seeing this shit. Rob. There you go. This is as close as I can get. What's up, bro? I saw you. I was over there. I had to come check it out. How you doing? How you doing?
Here, hold on one sec. I'll show you something.
Can't see. There it is. Oh, tits. This is behind the scenes, guys. With Rob Goodwin himself. And guys, you know I gotta give a shout out to Pour My Beer. Check him out. Wadman's all the way up at the top. That's pretty high up.
Damn, you gotta have your mask on out here.
Outside zone angle from jump zero. Line turn transition. Jump zero.
Oh, well guys, I was just sitting next to some rude guys. That was not fun. Just basically making fun of the fact that I was recording. Don't be that guy at an event. It's not cool. Big smiling face up on the screen with the Yoda. What's up, Pour My Beer? Love it. That's just Thomas hustling, you know? I know it's weird, but look. Me too, buddy. I'm a drinker. Look, it's the party time, guys. This is, we're making content. It's behind the scenes stuff. Rob, tell us what you said. Hashtag reenactment.
Most people don't know is I've had 3 different photos published in 3 different museums across the world.
Guys, he's in here creating content for you. He's at the damn event. He's always done this. It's incredible. It's incredible. This guy's nuts. Look, at the event, he's just been out in the sun. He's already editing stuff.
I'm not surprised.
What's up, Brian?
What's the deal?
Here you go. You want a sneak peek? This is what I...
Yeah. Hey, just jump in. The water's warm. Just jump in.
Right. Go for it. Send it.
The only thing holding you back is yourself. Inspirational shit, Rob.
The sunset boy.
Oh yeah.
I was digging. Nighttime is when all the interviews happen. today. Welcome back to FD. We went ahead and got everything packed up, ready to rock. Haven't watched any drifting today. I might get into that a little bit, or I might go check out the hot pits and get a couple of shots. My video is basically done. Yeah. It was fun, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Looking. We're behind the scenes with Preston. Check it out. They make this shit right here. You guys can see it immediately.
Wall drag. Look at that.
Wow.
It's crazy.
Yep, it's me again. Okay, tell me how this looks.
It's cool, man. It's just video, dude.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Wherever, dude. That's Thomas Miata, that's me. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm trying. I like what you do.
Hey, just keep at it, man.
I am. It's
Don't
been
give up.
7 years.
I've thrown this Sharpie so many times and it keeps coming back.
Oh, the
I keep throwing it down there.
Hell yeah. Thanks, bro. Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Thank you. I'm not gonna wear this after today. It's just gonna be on the shelf. Frank's had a lot of fun. He ran around and got a bunch of signatures for me on my hat. I control the narrative. What's up? We're exiting the hot pit for the last time. That'll be it. Did you have a good time?
Oh yeah!
Did you have a good time? Yeah. I also had a good time. We're gonna head out now. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully this thing wasn't too long. I'm gonna be cutting snip on the way home. Lots of driving. Stay tuned on Instagram for that. You wanna see the real shit as it's happening. Instagram. You need the blowtorch? Okay, we got this. All right guys, like, comment, share. Sharing is caring, that's the biggest one. How the hell are people gonna see this thing if they don't get it in front of their face? Bye, FD, bye. We're going
Driving back into the pits.
We're driving back into the pits. Driving back into the pits right now, but basically bye for the video. You know, I'm just still talking. Look at the pit, look at the, yeah, look at the crowd, that's kind of cool. Look at all the peoples. Audi 5000, it was fun. Now we have a 14-hour drive home. It's gonna suck.
11 hours and 32 minutes, actually.
Yeah, no, that ain't gonna work.
Our third place battle up next. Our third place battle. But Chelsea Denofa, he came to play. He said it vocally, and he's very vocal about it on social media, and even that interview with Lorette Nickel.
Well, guys, this is it. It's over. The event's over. Denofa took first place on day 2. Congrats, buddy. Love that. Extra sign in the hat. I don't know if I showed you guys. I got 3 signatures, Vaughn, Chelsea, and Adam LZ. There's like, what, like 6 million followers between those 3 guys? I don't know, it's crazy. Something. Frank had fun, but you know, he ran around, did stuff. Jake got sunburned as hell.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun though too. It's the tannest I've ever seen, Jake.
Yep, and in about 2 weeks we'll be doing it again. It should be fun. We won't be driving this time, we'll be flying and go from there. Sweet. Bye. I have to edit now. I have to finally edit